You said 22, I said 25.
We're gonna change the front of this house. This episode, changing the door from this midget door, as you can see, to a regular door. They're gonna close up all this. Can't wait. Check it out.
Good morning!
Good morning!
Good morning!
It's cold as a mother! Woo! Hey. Woo! I can't even feel, my nuts are ovaries right now.
Right?
Oh, man. Did it again.
No blockers, man.
No blockage from the haters. All you haters out there can see me now.
You're really slacking on this.
Look at me naked. Now.
Yeah, you're really slacking on this.
These will work. Nope. Can't fit those. Here we go. Aha! See me now, bitches?
Yeah, it's a
Dang! Now I feel like I'm drinking Miller Yellow through my eyes.
Oh, he's drinking barrel with yellow.
Oh. Safety harness engaged.
Harness of safety.
Yep, you gotta harness your safety.
You got a safety your harness.
Yep, you give love a bad name. Well, it is 30 below zero here in Fort Oviedo, Georgia.
Not really.
Nah, yeah, it is.
Feels like it though.
It's 30 below zero.
I think it'll be a whole lot colder.
No, it'd be colder a whole lot. It'd definitely be colder a whole lot.
Freezing.
Freezing face.
Yeah.
Guess you could say you got a popsicle face.
He didn't freeze his face, he talks too much.
Yeah, yeah. I'll be like,
Or at least his lips
much
on
hotter.
hers.
yeah, yeah. I like to talk. If you can't walk the walk, don't talk the talk. If you can't walk the walk, don't talk the talk. If you can't walk the walk, don't talk the talk. My little dingleberry goes bloop, 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 bloopity, bloop, 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 bloop. Do your dingleberry go bloop, bloop? You got,
Okay.
you don't got dingleberries that go bloop, bloop?
No.
Blue, blue, blue. Blue, blue, blue. They call me blah, blah, black sheep. Oh, man, what a day. Boy, shoot.
That's 12.
8:32. That's our time clock. That's the clock we go by.
Yeah. Technically, it's an hour late. Hour early.
If you're an hour early, you can never be an hour late.
Yeah, you're right.
You're right. I knew a guy one time.
You're an hour late.
Yeah, I knew a guy one time, he said he left the house in time if he had 4 flats. He had enough time to change them all and still be at work on time. Now, mind you, where in the hell would you be doing with 4 spare tires?
Yeah.
I mean, I could understand if he said he had 1, maybe even 2. Maybe you got 2 spare tires back there, but who the hell rides around with 4 spare tires?
I mean,
Not me.
They're really unlucky.
I have rode with 2.
I rode with none.
Just because of the trailer.
Yeah, that. But I rode with no spare tires before. And that's when you just going down the road, just plum, plum, plum,
Yeah.
plum, plum, plum. Everybody, hey, buddy, your tire's flat.
Yeah, we
I know. Thank
Buying
you.
a rim.
Yeah, like you can't, like you don't already hear it. Just, I mean, you on the rim and there's stop. Bump, 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 bump.
Yeah, we
You got a flat. Oh, is that what that is? Grinding back there?
Yeah.
I thought it was.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I thought it was my mister.
Yeah.
I think that's what he was saying.
Yeah. Probably right. Makes more sense.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Are we auctioning this morning?
Yep.
Yep.
Alright.
Auctioning off.
Yeah.
We're auctioning off an auctioneer.
Yep.
1 little, 2 little, 3 little.
My name is Red Black, and it'll be Red Black until the day I red black.
Yeah, your face is about to be red and black when I hit you with these uppers.
Come get it.
3 things I like to do. This is Jones Freddy.
Yeah, I need some dollars.
Oh, we're going to Jangle of the Bow.
Jangle.
Jangle of the
Bow,
Bow. They better get it right the first time. They better get it right the first time. They better get it right the first time. Whip it real hard. Whip it real hard.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did.
You know. You're really giving it to that wood. Boy, use it regular. Hey, I ain't talking about the way you did it. Why hop the door? Ow! That's how I'm about to be here. Man, I'm like, oh! Shut up! I got it. Get that down. Yeah, somebody's tongue in there. Somehow. No nail and no coffin. Come on, you're right there. Oh! Damn it! Get that smaller than that, Chris. No, it's right. The nail got it. The nail's in the corner. I don't want to break the side of the house. Yeah, that's what I was trying to do. I already had it loose for you. You're going to come take the action.